Hello everybody, I've literally just finished a 2-day R06 workshop and I thought it would be a good idea just to record a quick couple of minute video just to give you some thoughts, some top tips. I've had some absolutely lovely R06 candidates, most if not all of them nervous about the exam, so what do we think? Well, the two case studies are pretty much standard CII R06 examiner fare. So John and Karen are archetypal younger couple with a couple of dependents and very much in their vulnerable life cycle where they've got many needs but probably the least amount of disposable income. Whereas our second case study, Steve and Trish, are very much in their anxious years. So rather than planning for, they're at retirement, more interested in maximising their estate and issues such as that. Top tips for the exam with 2 weeks to go. It's really too late now to be working through a study guide or doing past papers. All of your efforts should be on getting to know your case studies, working through possible technical areas and working through an analysis produced by one of the learning and development companies such as BTS. So that should be the main focus of your revision going forward, and take it bit by bit. When you're faced with an analysis full of different questions and answers, full of technical areas, it can be a bit daunting. So take each question one by one. Look at the question, identify your key words, plan your answer on your scrap paper before you start typing anything down. And just the key now is practice, practice, practice. Another top tip before you get into the exam itself on the 21st. Make sure you go onto the CII website and look at the videos that tell you about the system itself. The checks, if you're sitting the exam at home, that you need to do to make sure your system is compatible. Have a look at the demo of how the exam works. You don't want the 21st of September to be the first time you've had a go with the system, because that will just rack up your nerves. The other suggestion I've got is get a copy of the R06 tax tables, because they're actually different from the tax tables you will have used in R01 to R05, and different in a good way because they actually contain more information. So for example, John and Karen, they've got a financial aim in relation to his income. And does he go self-employed, or does he go and accept the employed offer that he's had from his sole client, the UK bank? Well, your tax tables have got income tax rates, income tax bands, national insurance. So make sure you get a copy of the R06 tax tables and you're familiar with what is in them, because of course then you don't have to learn that. That's me done and dusted. Yeah, wishing all of you good luck in the R06 exam sitting on the 21st. Use all your 3 hours. State the obvious. Personalise, personalise, personalise. And if in doubt, get it typed down. Don't stress too much about should I put it, should I not put it. And again, good luck to everybody.